Hello everyone, myself Vaibhavi. Welcome to my channel Beginner to Developer. In the previous videos, we have seen that how to use do-while statements in C as well as C++ language. The link is given in the description below. Please watch it before this video. So today's session is about how to use these do-while statements in Java as well as Python language. So I have a Java programming example here. So this is a Java program. Here I have declared the variable I with the with the value 5 and then do while statements. This do is a keyword. Then these are the statements that has to be executed. Then while is also a keyword and this is a condition that has to be checked. Initially in the first iteration it will not go for any condition checking, but it just prints the value, that is the value of I is 5 now, and 5 value will be incremented to 6 in this iteration itself. Then it will check the condition, that is whether 6 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 6 is less than or equal to 10. So it will come inside this loop and prints the value as 6. Then it will be incremented to 7, whether 7 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it will be, so it comes inside this loop and prints the value as 7 in the output. Then I value will be incremented, that is 8. 8 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, then it prints the value as 8 in the output screen. Then A value will be incremented to 9. Then 9 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it will print the I value, that is 9 in the output screen. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, this condition is true. Then it will print the value of I as 10. Then it is incremented by 1, that is 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10. No, now the condition is false. Therefore, it will just come out of this particular loop and terminates the execution. That's why it will only print 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the output screen. This is about how to use do-while statements in Java programming. Let's see how to use these do-while statements in Python program. In Python program, there is no explicit statements like do-while. So here we are using while statements and if statement to terminate this particular loop, because while is not having any condition here. It is just true. That means this statements will be executed infinite times. So initially, let's run this program. Yes, initially what happens is while true, now the condition is true, it will come inside this particular loop. So print I value, that means I value is initialized with 1. So 1 will be printed in the output screen. Then I value is incremented to 2 here, I plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. It will check this if condition, that means whether 2 is greater than 3. No, 2 is not greater than 3. So it will go for the next iteration, then prints the value, that means in the output screen 2 will be printed. Then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now the I value is 3. Then it will check whether 3 is greater than 3. No, 3 is not greater than 3. Therefore, it will go for the next iteration and prints the value in the output screen. That is the I value is 3 now. Then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now the I value is 4. 4 is greater than 3. Yes. Now the 4 is 4. The value of I is greater than 3. Therefore, these statements will be executed. That is break. So it will just come out of this while loop and terminates the execution. This is how we can use do-while statements in Python as well as Java language. Let's see how to use these do-while statements in the C# language in the next video. Thank you all.